F&M MAFCO has 5 distribution centers located across North America. This allows us to respond to our customers' needs. We know that their needs aren't always scheduled. We're available 24/7.
Our team boasts an average 24 years of experience, and with a certified customs broker on staff, we have the ability to move assets quickly and reliably around the globe.
Orders that are placed with F&M MAFCO and printed before noon are processed that same day. We, in addition, are able to get out any emergency orders that might come up even after noon.
F&M MAFCO offers high-quality domestic and import products for use by trades in industrial construction and maintenance applications. Our inventory represents both tried and true product, as well as innovative tools and equipment targeted to help our customers complete jobs safer, quicker, and at a lower total cost.
We offer kitting at F&M MAFCO that can consist of a small toolbox up to a 40-foot container or a 53-foot trailer. These kits allows our customers' crews to be tooled up the minute they hit the job site.
Our recent fill plant upgrade investment allows us to improve our value proposition to business partners, shifting to an automated production model which renders lower first cost and shorter lead times.
I would absolutely recommend F&M MAFCO to other people in the industry because of their professionalism and because of their service and the fact that they can deliver product and do it on time.
Ask us about our flexibility and packaging solutions to help you meet your specific job site needs.